Thank you for purchasing the Tuni Nova Rollator. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Tuni Nova should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once open, you can lift the rollator out and set it to one side. Packaged with your rollator, you should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your rollator. Cut the cable ties to free the handlebars from the rollator frame. Now stand the rollator upright. Gently tilt the basket up. There's a groove in the frame that will ensure it stays in a fixed position. Now you can attach the handlebar by slotting it into the tubes of the frame. Using the holes on the side for reference, you can find a comfortable height. You can now lock the handle in place by clipping the red buttons like this. Now you can add the tray, which acts as a lid for the basket when rested on top. To lock the rollator in a fixed position, gently squeeze the long brake handle, then slide over this red hook. This will lock the brake in a closed position. Your Tuni Nova Rollator is now fully assembled and ready for use. Please keep hold of the box with any packaging, just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Tuni Nova Rollator or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.